Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean all in my bladder. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, bull riding in booties. Cowboy hat from Gucci, Wrangler on my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's got a habit, diamond rings and Fendi sports bras. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Got no stress, I've been through all that. I'm like a Marlboro man, so I kick on back. Wish I could roll on back to that old town road. I wanna ride till I can't no
Yeah,
more.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Happy birthday, Caleb! I hope you are having a fantastic time at your birthday party. Thank you so much for being such a sweet, caring, loving, and awesome little dude that you are. I am so proud that you are our son. I love you so, so much, and I cannot wait to see the big man you grow into. But anyways, have a great 7th birthday and enjoy it with all your friends. Love you!
Happy birthday, Caleb. I hope you're enjoying your day and you have a wonderful 7th birthday. You're a great kid and just keep doing the great job that you're doing. Happy birthday.
We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Caleb. Happy birthday to dear Caleb. Happy birthday to you.
Love you, boy.
Love you from your Nana and Papa in California.
Yeah, man.
Love you. Hi, Caleb.
Happy birthday, young man. Sorry Granddaddy can't get you this time, but I'll see you in a couple of weeks. I hope you have fun Saturday.
Happy birthday, my handsome, smart, little playful grandson. Grandmama gonna miss this birthday. I'm so sad, but I hope you have a happy time. Play some games for me, because you know Grandmama love to play games. Anyhow, happy birthday. Grandmama and Granddaddy love you, okay? We love you. Have a good day.
Woo! Happy birthday, Caleb! I hope it's the best one that you've ever had, and I wish you many, many more. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Caleb!
Happy birthday, Caleb!
Hi Caleb, it's LaTanya. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. I love you and miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Caleb.
Happy 7th birthday, Caleb. I am so sorry that I cannot be there for your birthday party, but I love you to death. I am so proud of you with all of your achievements, whether it be karate, basketball, school. You are phenomenal. Remember that. I love you, sweetie.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus
but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.